Hey everybody, happy Wednesday, happy hump day, feliz miércoles, feliz cuarta-feira. Today was bench press day and I supplemented that with some overhead press and then the usual accessories at the end. Funny, as I was sitting down to make this video, and you can't really hear it in the background, but the song Cruel to Be Kind by Nick Lowe was playing. Kind of find it funny that given this session, so to speak, I just did ramping fives on bench because I don't know what to predict session to session with bench. Went in tens, probably should have gone into with 5 pound increments again. And then I had a phone call from roughly 4:30 to 5:30. And then I went and I did some press with the easy curl bar, and man, my elbows were unhappy. They were making all kinds of noises, and you'll probably hear those. I to make it a more dramatic effect, I made sure that there was almost no ambient noise in the garage while I was recording those sets, and then I put the little lapel mics right on my shoulders so you get as close as possible to all the action that was going on, and it's kind of gnarly. But yeah, the song Cruel to Be Kind, right? Because I don't know, it's like this juxtaposition. I got to do something to improve my shoulders, and I've been improving them. I've stretched them out and I've been doing stuff like that, and they're getting better, but it is quite the grind, almost literally, just the way stuff is grinding and popping and snapping, sounding like Rice Krispies in my joints. So, just in the gym, getting stuff done, trying to make some progress, and trying to be smart about it. Even on the accessories today, I decided to ramp the tricep extensions and the face pulls, but I only incremented in the 2.5s on that too. So it's just 45, 47.5, 50, 52.5, and 55. So those are lighter too. But my triceps were smoked by then anyhow, because I'd done a decent number of bench press, and then just the overhead press, even though it was really light, it was smoked. Plus this really narrow grip. I mean, because I'm using the inner bend on the curl bar, so my hands are probably only my thumbs are somewhere around between 10 and 12 inches apart, so pretty close. Just another day, like I said, getting stuff done, doing other stuff, trying to still learn languages, get work done, try and make myself better. And all while things kind of feel like they're falling apart sometimes in other places, not my own personal life, but the things that like the structure, as it were, that's around me professionally. Again, I just wish we could all do better. I think that there's a lot of people out there in society that have lost the skill of introspection, and they don't take time to evaluate themselves, and they don't take time to evaluate their actions and their thoughts and how those affect other people, especially when they're in positions of responsibility. So yeah, it's a little disappointing at times, and you can't dwell on it too long because there's not a lot you can do. So yeah, we get out in the gym, we try and make ourselves better, and try and move the microcosm that surrounds us forward step by step. And that's the best we can do sometimes. That grassroots influence. Go out there, work hard in the gym, get other people to work hard, get your family to get out there and improve. I know during my weight loss, it got my family to also get out there and be more active and lose weight. And it wasn't immediate. It took months, several months, for those effects to kind of cascade. And but everyone's doing better. You just gotta keep pushing. But anyhow, decent session. Wish my joints were in better shape. Maybe one day get that press back up to where it used to be. You know, sitting here pressing today 60 by 5. That was my top set. I remember days when I could do 225 by 5. Those days are probably not going to come back, but I'm okay with it. Anyhow, hope all of you are having a great day. It is Happy Hump Day. We're halfway through the week, heading towards the weekend, and I hope everyone's got good things ahead. All right, peace.